Hey, it's Joseph here. This week in late May of 2023, the channel has reached 30,000 subscribers. And I just wanted to take a moment to say a sincerest thank you to all who have supported the channel. Either you have been following the channel for weeks or years, you have truly impacted me and my family on this fun and eventful journey. I never thought I would be able to reach this much of following, and I feel very privileged that I've got you guys watching the content that I create. Even though I try, my videos do contain mistakes and they're not necessarily made to the highest production value. However, you guys still have been kind, leaving thoughtful and considerate comments/messages to me. And those are what ultimately keeps me going and helped me to arrive at this point. And I do want to continue creating content that matters for both you and me, so please feel free to leave any ideas or topic suggestions. FYI, I am always open to criticism as well. Any points or parts of the video that I should improve on, please do let me know. I am willing to listen. And I actually have a bit of a life update. I currently live in a small 3-bedroom townhome as a family of 4. And as kids grow, I want each of them to have a room to themselves and, of course, a room for me to do architectural work as well as these video works. Therefore, I'll be moving in 2 weeks to nearby area, about the same size home, but with 4 bedrooms. So expect future videos to be shot in a different room, but I don't think they're gonna look all that different, at least not when I first move into the new home. But keep in mind that I may be less frequent on the uploads for the next few weeks because of all of this. Anyways, I make content because it is so much fun playing with technology and sharing my experience with the viewers like yourselves. And by watching my videos, you have supported me to continue this journey. So please continue enjoying my content, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.